Everybody, welcome to another painting video here. Today I want to talk about why I'm doing this particular piece. Basically, people burn a lot of bridges in their lifetime. We all have. And so today I'm going to paint a painting called Mending Bridges. Because even though we burn a lot of bridges, we mend some, we make new ones. And this is what this piece is about. So hopefully it'll come out the way I want it to. And thanks for watching, guys. Let's get this thing on the road. Let's get the show on the road. Okay, first of all, today I'm going to do, I'm going to paint this not with brushes, but with catalyst tools. Okay, they're little rubber tools. Well, they're not so little. They're about 4 inches long. Okay, and they're different, numbers and whatever. And I'm going to use a brush to put the gesso on only, probably. And I'm not going to say I'm not going to use the brush completely because I might be using it. But ooh, look at that big chunk of gesso. Now, I'm doing that because I need an area of texture here, and we're gonna paint this kind of in a Franz Kleinsy kind of way, Franz Klein kind of way. I love Franz Klein. I love that work. But we're gonna do it kind of a little bit more more majestic with a little bit more boldness with the catalyst tools here. So first thing we're gonna do is get a brush and kind of get this gesso spread out. Let's get the gesso spread out. I'm using a 1.5 quarter-inch gallery wrap. It's a thick gallery wrap here. It's heavy duty, almost 2 inches. It's heavy duty, guys. And I chose the gallery wrap because it doesn't move so much. When I'm doing a medium-sized painting like this, I don't want it to move around too much. So that's why I chose this, and I just think it'll look better on this. So, okay, so let's see here. Okay, a few little hairs. There we go. Hairs and smear. Hairs and smear. And I'm also going to be implementing some of this drawer liner. It's just like a rubbery foam liner that you put in your drawers, your silverware drawer. I use all kinds of tools, guys. So this is what I'm going to use for adding texture. So let's put that there for now. I've got the gesso applied, and now let's get busy with this. I'm going to use medium, large, maybe a liney type of catalyst. And so first thing I want to do is establish like a compositional line. Let's do this one in black. I want to start like from here. I like that it's already opened there. Kind of has a good feeling to it already. And we're going to put the trusses of legs coming down. And like I said, this is not going to be like realism. This is a spiritual type of piece. And we don't want it to look, we want it to feel like a bridge, but more feel like a bridge. Not more of a look, more of a feel. That's what abstract is, guys. It's more of a, and so that's kind of what we're after. And that's kind of what I'm at, that curve appeal. And then I want to come back around, and I'm just kind of giving it a foundation to set. And then we want to add all kinds of interesting textures as well. Let's get that out of there. Kind of want to, there we go, kind of like it now. And so, let me see, let's put a piece here. And let's kind of come down. And we'll just kind of come down like this. That's nice, I like that. And we'll come down here. And we'll just kind of come over here, and we don't want to leave this picture space too much. So, let's see. There we go, I'm liking that. Kind of liking that. Keep it abstract, guys. Don't make it too real. See, I'm already kind of getting tight with it, getting real with it. I don't want to do that. Kind of keep it abstract. Yes, we're liking this. I'm going to start adding white to it. Kind of like what Franz Klein would do. You build your whites and your grays. And I use gesso and white paint in this mix because I want it to be real textured when it finalizes, when it dries. There we go, I'm liking this already. It's already kind of giving me that feel that I need. Let's give it some little gaps there, air, liking that. And now we got that established. I'm liking that a lot. Let's add some more grayer texture with our drawer liner. And that's where that's going to come in. I think that's good. I like it all anchored the way it is. Okay, so get a piece of this, and I'm going to cut it kind of where I need it. Let's cut this little piece a little thinner. Just a little bit thinner. And shorter. Perfect. I'm liking that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add it to this piece here in the sky. We're going to get this catalyst tool. See that, guys? It gives a nice little kind of... See how I'm doing this, guys? It's a really good black and white piece. And it gives energy. See how it's breaking up all those spaces and pulling you into this piece? Look at that. It's juxtaposing. So all your tones are staying in place where they need to. You're encapsulating it where it needs to be. And that's what's good about this. I don't want to leave too many open whites. A few, but not too many. Look at that, see? See what I'm doing there? See how I'm getting that? And then maybe one more right here. I'm liking that, guys. I'm going to call that a done piece. Mending bridges. Mending these burnt bridges, guys. Peace out, Foltz Art. Go visit me on my website, foltzfineart.com, and on my eBay store. Thank you.